Again, crack, welcome back. It's Mr. Dan, and we're back for another beginner's Ulster Irish lesson. Again, Martashev. That's how are you, plural. So we did already cover Again Martatu and a few answers like Gamoy, Gamasra, and we already looked at some of the pronouns. I want to tie those back in together with another lesson. We did our quiz, and a few people fell down on question number 5. That was the hardest question to put in there. And it does take a little wee while to get used to all the pronouns, but a really good way of doing that is to take one question that you know and start changing the pronouns in that question, just so that you can hear it being put in practice. So today we're going to look at Kajay Martatu. We're going to look at that again. And we're going to answer with a few different answers this time, just to increase your vocabulary just a little bit more. So I want you to try and predict and guess the pronoun when I ask you the question. So, for example, I say Kajay Martatu. That means we're talking about you. Kajay Martatu, talking about you. Kajay Martashe. That's right, we're talking about how is he? Kajay Martashe, or is he? Kajay Martashi. Kajay Martashi, how is she? And the one that people fell over, question number 5 on the quiz, Kajay Marta Mudge, like mud and fudge, mudge, Kajay Marta Mudge. How are we? How are we? Kajay Marta Mudge and you. How are we today? I started this lesson with this one, Kajay Marta Shiv. Kajay Marta Shiv. How are you, plural? How are you, plural? So more than one person. But you'll hear it being said a little bit more faster than that. Kajay Marta Shiv. Kajay Marta Shiv. Kajay Marta Shade. Kajay Marta Shade. This is the last one. It's how are they? How are they? Kajay Marta Shade. However, it's not my last one. I'm adding this on. You might not see this in some of the other lessons around, but it's very important. Kajay Marta Dan. Kajay Marta Dan. How's Dan? I like to talk about myself. And the responses are the same. So remember, you're talking about yourself, you're getting a response. It's Tame. Tame go moy. Tame go moy. But you can say Tatu go moy. Tatu go moy. You're well. Tashe go moy. He as well. Tashi go moy. She as well. And how do we say we are well? We are well. Tamoj go moy. Tamoj go moy. You plural are well. Ta shiv go moy. Ta shiv go moy. And lastly, they are well. They are well. Siad go moy. Siad go moy. Tadan go moy. Tadan go moy. That as well. So just another refresher over some of the things that we had in our word bank before to describe how you are. So you have gamoy, gamoy, well, gobra, fine, gomasra, you're fairly well, hulk, bad, chin, ame chin, sick. I think I'll do this for now. Gurmail goof to you all. Thanks as always, and slap for now.